In this verse of the Quran of Surah Tawbah, chapter number 9, verse number 24, Allah is saying, "Qul in kana aba'akum," whether it be for fathers. And you know the Quran respects the parent the highest after Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah says in the Quran in Surah Isra, chapter number 17, verse number 23 and 24, "We have ordained for you that you worship but one Allah, and that you be kind to your parents." So after Allah comes the parents. That you be kind to your parents. And if one of them or both of them reach old age, do not say a word of contempt. Don't say off to them. That means one or both of your parents reach old age, whatever they say, you cannot retaliate. You can't even say off to them. So much you have to respect them. Don't say off to them, but rather address them with honor. Lower to them your wing of humility and pray to thy Lord that bless them as they cherished me in childhood.